So 3ds, when we will go to the 3ds max, we will think, I'm thinking about the 3ds max. So first here you can see the 3. Why here showing the 3? So 3 is the main thing. 3 is the 3-dimensional. 3 stand for the 3-dimensional. 3-dimensional means here only we will do the 3D work, not the 2D work. But suddenly I have one question. What is the question? Sir, if I use the 3D only the 3D, so what about the 2D? Because without plan we can't do our modeling part, building modeling part, especially for the building. When we will go to model our building, design a building, so first we need the plan. So plan is the 2D part and modeling is the 3D part. So 3ds max only do the 3D modeling, not the 2D part. So how we will import our 2D drawing to the 3D and how we will transfer this? So we will use our AutoCAD drawing and import AutoCAD drawing to the 3ds max, then we will do our 3D model. So this is the 3ds max is only used for the 3D modeling purpose, or it will give a better result as compared to Revit architecture. But here we will do 3D part only, not the 2D part, not the 2D part. First I am going to about the process. Okay, for the process, first in this slide I will discuss about 3ds max, then we will go to our work phases. Work phases means work process, and the third one is the user. How can you use the user to process this process? How can you use the process this process? How can you use the user to this process? So first I am going to explain about 3ds max. So you can see here the 3ds max is totally a professional 3D computer graphics program for making 3D animation, 3D model, GAMs and image. Here we can only use, not only use the building structure. For the building structure purpose, we are using the 3D aspect. But here we have the different type of workbench. So for the modeling, we use the model tools. For the gaming, we use the GAM animation tools. We use the animation tools also, and we will get the images after complete all the modeling part. So how we will get this drawing? Through the modeling, through the rendering. So here the rendering as compared to Revit, 3D Max give the better result. If I am going to explain about the rendering, then you will see the 3D rendering outputs. Okay, and this is also invented by the Autodesk on 2000. So in 3ds max we use a different application, that is the V-Ray application. We can also use the V-Ray application for the rendering purposes. So next you see the user interface. We are the user. How we will use this? Through the tools. So you can see here the top tools is called main toolbar, right hand toolbar is called command panel, then downward tools is called animation control, and right hand side this red mark toolbar is called viewport control. So you can use these tools to make a 3D model. So first, before going to start our model, first we will import our AutoCAD drawing to the 3ds max. Then we will go to work our on the 3D. So first you see here, first we will import this drawing. This one is the AutoCAD drawing. First you import this drawing to the 3ds max software. So first you import this AutoCAD drawing to the 3ds max software, then you will do the 3D model. So this process is very important because without 2D plan we can't do our 3D model.